Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Customer concern with this lawnmower is not performing correctly. It's not cutting right, the machine has gotten very heavy, not sure what's going on here. The bag is empty, we've emptied that out. There was a little bit of grass in there, no big deal. Once I actually moved the machine, I understood what was going on here. Let's get underneath and take a look here. We'll get the camera to go down. We're gonna just kind of move this thing over. Gas tank is on this side. You want to flip the machine up this way, away. You don't want to go towards the gas tank. You want to go away from it. Or the lid, I should say. Now, there's a bit of a problem underneath here with about 4 or 5 pounds of grass that's wedged underneath here. Wet grass and the zits stink. So just every once in a while, you should be cleaning out your lawnmower, going underneath and taking a look, and look at this. And you can see the mold that's gotten in here. This has been underneath here for a while. You can just feel the weight of the machine here. Now this machine also has where you can connect the hose to it and wash it, and it'll clean out the underneath of your machine, which has never been used before. So there you go, tip of the day, get underneath, clean your machine. There you go. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Leave your comments. I'm out.